66 million years ago, a terrible event happened on Earth. A giant rock from space, an asteroid, smashed into our planet. This wasn't just any rock, it was miles wide, like a mountain falling from the sky. The impact caused a massive explosion, releasing more energy than billions of atomic bombs. The Earth shook, and giant waves, tsunamis, crashed onto the shores. The dinosaurs, the magnificent creatures that had ruled the planet for millions of years, were doomed. This wasn't just a bad day, it was the start of a global catastrophe. The impact marked the end of the dinosaur age and changed the course of life on Earth forever. But what made this asteroid so deadly? Let's travel back in time and find out. The asteroid that hit Earth was enormous, about 6 miles wide. To understand its size, imagine a rock taller than Mount Everest. This giant rock was traveling incredibly fast, much faster than the speed of sound. When something that big travels that fast, it carries immense energy. Imagine a bowling ball smashing into pins. Now picture a rock the size of a mountain hitting Earth at unimaginable speed. The impact released an unbelievable amount of energy, causing instant devastation. The asteroid's size and speed were key to its destructive power. The sheer force of the impact was enough to wipe out life for thousands of miles around in an instant. The moment the asteroid hit, a shock wave traveled through the Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions across the globe. Imagine the ground shaking so violently that entire mountains crumbled. The impact also generated intense heat, setting off massive wildfires that raged for thousands of miles. These fires consumed everything in their path, releasing huge amounts of smoke and ash into the atmosphere. The initial impact was just the beginning. The real devastation was yet to come. The dust and smoke from the impact and fires rose high into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. Section 4. A world in darkness. As dust and ash filled the atmosphere, the sky grew dark. Sunlight couldn't reach the Earth's surface, causing temperatures to plummet. Imagine a winter that lasted for years, a long, cold night that enveloped the entire planet. This impact winter, as it is called, had devastating consequences for life on Earth. Plants couldn't photosynthesize, leading to the collapse of food chains. Herbivores starved without plants to eat, and carnivores soon followed. The lack of sunlight and the freezing temperatures created a hostile environment. The dinosaurs, despite being adapted to various conditions, couldn't survive this global catastrophe. Section 5. Years of poisoned rain. The impact's effects didn't end there. The asteroid's impact released massive amounts of sulfur into the atmosphere. When combined with water vapor, this sulfur formed sulfuric acid, which fell back to Earth as acid rain. Imagine rain so acidic that it burned through leaves and poisoned the soil. This acid rain contaminated water sources, killing off marine life. The long-term effects of this poisonous rain were devastating, further disrupting ecosystems and hindering the recovery of life. The asteroid impact had transformed a vibrant planet into a toxic wasteland. The Earth was a very different place than it was before the impact. Section 6. A new world begins. The asteroid impact had catastrophic consequences, wiping out the dinosaurs and many other life forms. However, from the ashes of this destruction, a new world emerged. Small mammal-like creatures that had survived the impact by burrowing underground or living in water began to thrive. With the dinosaurs gone, these creatures had the opportunity to evolve and diversify. Over millions of years, these mammals evolved, eventually leading to the rise of primates and, ultimately, humans. The asteroid impact, while devastating, paved the way for our own species to inherit the Earth. Section 7. A lesson from the past. The story of the dinosaur extinction is a powerful reminder of the incredible forces at play in our universe. It teaches us that even the most dominant species can be vulnerable to unexpected events. While we cannot undo the past, we can learn from it. Studying asteroid impacts helps us understand the risks posed by near-Earth objects and develop strategies to protect our planet. By learning from the dinosaurs' fate, we can work towards ensuring that humanity doesn't meet a similar end. After all, we are the caretakers of this planet now, and it's our responsibility to protect it for future generations.